Before you spend your hard-earned money on Sereni Stim, you need to ask one simple question. Is this truly an innovative wellness breakthrough, or just another device wrapped in impressive marketing? Sereni Stim claims to be a non-invasive wellness device designed to support pain relief, relaxation, and nervous system regulation through stimulation-based technology, positioning itself as a solution for people dealing with chronic discomfort, stress, and even complex conditions. On the surface, the concept sounds appealing: drug-free, non-invasive, and easy to use, but when analyzing the details more carefully, several concerns start to appear. Product images associated with Sereni Stim seem to be reused or sourced from elsewhere online, which immediately raises questions about branding authenticity and transparency. The company also references being featured on platforms like ResearchGate and mentions scientific credibility. Yet there are no direct study links, clinical trial documentation, or verifiable research citations provided to support these claims. In addition, the device is marketed with extremely broad health promises, spanning pain relief, fibromyalgia, ME, CFS, anxiety, and general nervous system regulation conditions that are medically complex and typically require individualized treatment approaches. When a single device claims to address multiple unrelated medical issues without clearly published evidence, it becomes important to approach those claims cautiously. That doesn't automatically mean the product is a scam, but it does mean consumers should demand clearer data, clinical backing, and transparent sourcing before making a decision. Overall, Sereni Stim presents itself as a modern wellness solution. Yet the lack of verifiable scientific documentation and the breadth of its claims suggests that buyers should proceed carefully. Evaluate the available evidence and avoid relying solely on marketing language when assessing its true effectiveness.